So, first of all, what does this mean? If you ever see this.
Merge left.
Right, you're going to want to merge, but what does it mean as far as the lane?
Right lane ends.
Yeah, right lane ends. Basically the same thing. So, this guy's in the right lane, and it's going to end, right? So, if you're this driver, and you see this driver, kind of in front of you, his lane's about to end, which you're going to run into this many times. What are you going to do as far as, so you're going to scan, you've identified, what do you predict this car is going to do?
Pull in front of you.
Pull in front of you? Okay, right. You kind of have to predict the worst case scenario, right? He should, but what should he do? What's that?
Slow down.
Slow down, yield, right? He's supposed to yield to you, but you kind of predict maybe he won't, right? So you kind of have to decide, right? So what are you going to decide to do if you're predicting he's not going to yield to you? Slow down, right? Kind of see what he's going to do. And if you slow down, he doesn't slow down, then you know exactly what you predicted. He's just going to come right in. But if you slow down and he slows down, which is what he's supposed to do, then what do you do? You'll speed up because you have the right of way. Exactly. Great. So, and then what does this sign mean? If you see this,
They're merging.
yep, you're merging into another lane, right? So basically, if you see this, then this is going to happen, right? Who yields in this situation as two cars are coming in? You or the traffic there? You, right? So, yep, definitely yield as you're trying to merge into the lane. And what's the difference between these two signs?
One goes into one lane, the other goes into two.
Right. And so you'd be yielding coming into the other lane, right? But this one, you're gonna stick, two lanes are coming together, so you're both gonna still be in your own lanes. You're not crossing into theirs. And what's the difference between yield and merge? Anybody know? You look like you're going to answer. Your lips keep moving, but look like something's going to come out.
The yield, which is the market that's coming, and then merge is
Yep.
early.
Right. Yield, kind of be cautious of what's coming ahead. And this, you're merging, so you are going to be yielding as you merge in. And so with yield, slow down, check traffic, stop if it's necessary. And as you're merging, check traffic, adjust your speed to enter. And then this one, you're not stopping. So, and most construction signs are diamond and they're orange. And so these are usually up temporarily while people are doing construction. And it's a higher significance in a work zone. So if you see a speed limit here, right, and you see an orange one, which one are you going to obey if these two numbers are different?
Slow orange one.
The orange one. The orange one will usually be lower. In this case it isn't, but they usually have you adjust even slower than the normal speed limit. And what's the difference between these two signs?
It's coming up. and
This is coming up.
stopping.
Yep, and this is right now. This is detour ahead, this is, you're at the detour right now. So, and then this one, just warning you, there's somebody holding a flag ahead. This one, there's people working on the road ahead. So it's $300 minimum fine if you're speeding in construction zones. So anytime you see this, go very, very, very slow. There's people out there that can get hurt if you're not slowing down. And so yeah, that's a lot of money, and that's just the minimum. So you don't want to get that fine. And so we'll go to the next video.